and this strategy. The overall objectives: to raise awareness, to motivate and to offer practical support for ISKA member organizations. That's the internal view. To take a stand and to create an image for ISKA, to become acknowledged as a competent and powerful partner inside the sports system, but also outside the sports system. And last but not least, to cooperating with other international sport for all organizations, and not only sport for all organizations, we should add also with other stakeholders working in the same field, and that this is necessary. Brian Martin has pointed out this morning also. We are on the way. Just a short overview what is in our strategy, what are our services, consultancy services, educational services, network and information sharing, lobbyism and fundraising, just to make you aware that we have tried to make a holistic approach, a holistic strategy to develop our own organization and to give support for our member organization to develop in this direction. And a very important part in our work are the projects on health promoting. They are really the driving force to realize the ISKA and ISKA members' health promotion programs and strategies. And this will be the task of Saska Benedicic Tomat to give you a short overview what and how we are doing these projects. Thank you so far for your attention, but I would like to ask Saska.
Thank you, Hermert, for great the starting point. I have two challenges now. First one is that I'm a woman. Well, that's a fact. That's not. It's also a challenge.
For us.
But that I have only 10 minutes, and I have to tell you. I would like to tell you so much about ISKA project that 10 minutes is definitely not enough. And that is a big challenge for me, because I'm a woman and I cannot talk only 10 minutes. Yeah. So, but I will try to do my best. So already Hermert said that ISKA project on health promotion are the driving force to realize ISKA and ISKA members' health promotion programs and strategies. And we are very good drivers, and we are driving very, very fast to the Healthier Europe together with our members. And what the project means for individuals and what for organizations that are working with us in project. This is just a brief introduction. And by participating in the project, political leaders, project managers, project leaders and educators and our project members, staff from each organization can take part in many, many different events that we organize, like this one, like Move Congress, like different forums, seminars, workshops, study tours, and so on. And those activities allow to all of us to share, to get new knowledge, to get new experience, to give and to take. And our ISKA project outreach are on the European, national, and on local level. On the European level, the projects facilitate dialogue between stakeholders to build the cooperation for the Healthier Europe and for the cooperation between them, national associations also. On the national and local level, the projects take a starting point in the sport associations, in sport, on the local, in local clubs, in different partners that we have on the local level. And so we try, on the local and national level, we try and we do develop the network between different sectors. Through the projects, we also developed the advisory group, which qualify and evaluate and how we call this, study the process of the project and our intervention, our activities and actions. And we do this through active methods that we use through the project with a simple, very simple framework, which is, but the framework uses sport for all, health, knowledge, experience, planning, managing, developing, all these kind of things. This is what is normal for the project management, but what is the most important thing is that we have a lot of fun working together with with our members and national project managers. So as Hermert mentioned, we started officially. We started with developing the health promotion strategy in ISCA 2006, and officially we started with a project in 2007 with PART project. PART means physical activity towards a healthier Europe. And in 2007, ISCA has identified 4 national organizations. We call them associate partners, who are implementing national health and physical activity campaigns and promotions on the national level, and opening these national programs for international observation, study visits, study tours, best practices exchanges, and so on. We gave the possibility for cross-border cooperation and to establish the European dimension also. And associate partners, 4 of them, gave the initiatives to engage inactive partners, 15 inactive partners in this field, and to share the knowledge and experience with them. When we started, we believed in the case, we believed in the project, we believed in our members, and it was very clear for us how to do it. But when through the project we developed ourselves and we developed our members, and we learned a lot from our project leaders, from our national project leaders, and we have identified the challenges and we moved together. We wanted to develop the bridge between the international knowledge and experience to the practical intervention, and to assist this way to individuals across Europe to be more physically active and to motivate them for the healthier lifestyle. So PART activities in all these countries and in all these cities developed fantastic stories, but they were developed by project leaders, by project national leaders, by volunteers, by educators in all these countries and in all these cities. They've shown how all our members and our partners, they've shown how to productively influence the health promotion and physical activity promotion in Europe, and more in generally, how to ensure the knowledge and experience in planning, managing and developing sport for all and health promotion in Europe. And also how to keep ourselves in the market, which is, we all know, very tough. We saw the platform as a platform for our development. So this is the most fancy slide in my presentation, and this is also a very fancy book. It was one of the outcomes of PART project. We call this Diaries of My Health, and it was developed by one of the associate partners, Sport Union of Slovenia. It was developed for individuals, that individuals can use and can learn more about physical activity, about healthy nutrition, about healthy nature, and so on. We have many copies of this Diary of My Health, and we call this active book for active people. And you can also get it if you are active. So I invite you right now to stand up, to make 5 squats with me, 5 jumps, and to shake hands with your neighbors. Okay? Wow, that's good. Take a deep breath first. Well, life is good anyway. So 5 squats now. Down and up, and out. Yes. 3 more, 2 more, 1 more, and 5 jumps now. And up, 2 more, 1 more. Okay, thank you. And now shake hands with your left and right neighbors and present yourself to each other. You are active, very active, so you can get if you don't have it also. So ISCA is trying to identify new trends and demands in healthy physical activity. And this, we are doing this by being involved in other projects also. But what is most important, we are doing this by listening our members, our partners, our ISCA members, because the ISCA members, project leaders, political and project leaders, they for sure know what it is around the corner for the future, in the future. So this was also the way how we developed the Santa project. Okay, I won't touch this anymore. So Santa project is a project based on knowledge sharing and organizational development where all partners are engaged to develop their organization through cross-European cooperation and learning. Santa takes its starting point in sport and in sport associations, organizations, our members. But Santa project is very much focused on the cooperation between different sectors and different associations, institutions like municipalities, schools, insurance companies, health insurance companies, universities, and so on. Many more are on the list. And these are all activities that are running in 2010 in Santa project. Also, MOVE Congress is part of the Santa project. And you know that the project management is never-ending story. So we are working now on a new project. We call it MOVE, which will be a European Physical Activity Platform, promotion forum based on the mobilization of cross-cutting partnership and networks in physical activity. You will hear more about the project in quite soon, hope so. But I must say right now that we are looking forward to this one and we are ready to move to this one. Yeah. National project managers, political and program leaders and educators are core of our project. And they give their commitment to contribute to the ISCA project in spite of all challenges they have and they have. We believe that this is the responsible and admirable commitment. And I'm sure that it also inspire others to work with us and others to work with them. So we can say that we are in now, we work together and we can move together. And I know that many of Santa and PART partners and project managers, leaders, political leaders are in this room and in the other room right now. So I would like to give again special thanks to all of you for spending many days working together, for the energy, smile and everything what we had and what we have and what we will have in the future. And also of course thanks also to you for the attention taken here to listen about this project.
Thank you very much, Saska. Thank you for keeping in time at exactly 15 minutes each. Maybe I'm not very precise if this was 1 or 2 presentations. Now it's clear it was 2. Thank you very much for that. We will take a few questions before moving on to the next presentation. This is the perspective from the machinery of the Sport for All Association. So I would like to hear some questions.